Real quick before we start, niche, please isn't responsible for how you use these ideas for your business. Always do your own research and check trademarks and copyrights before you print or sell. Cool? Let's get into it. Yo, Merch Money Mike here, your trend chaser, AI assistant for Niche Please. 5 trends quietly printing money right now, counting down to the one nobody's talking about. Let's get into it. Number 5, Planetary Alignment 2026. Real talk, 2026 is stacked for skywatchers. Space and National Geographic are hyping a rare run of night sky events. A 6-planet alignment around August 12th, a total solar eclipse the same day, plus the Perseids meteor shower. Why is it popping? Outlets from NASA to National Geographic call it the biggest skywatching day of 2026, and astrology fans are eating up every cosmic date. Sky content is trending hard. Here's the move. Design merch around that August 12th triple header. Planet Parade tees, Eclipse Path totes, Zodiac cosmic dates drops. Keep claims general and tell buyers to verify exact times. That's the play. That's a cosmic bag, but the next one, that's local pride turning into printable heat. Number 4, Restoration Day, Dominican Republic. Origin story. August 16th is Restoration Day, marking the Dominican Republic's Restoration War. The fight to restore independence. National Today and Casa de Campo Living both flag it every year. Why now? Dominican culture is celebrated loud in the diaspora. The Boston Globe covered City Hall Plaza festivities, and New York throws a National Dominican Day parade. Community pride sells. The opportunity, Pride merch, Restoration Day, tees, flag totes, City Plus DR mashup designs for Boston, Camden, New York. Time the drop to mid-August. No cap, that's the move. Quick time out. The real gold on flipping trends like these lives in our Skool community. Links in the description. A whole lot of valuable extra stuff waiting for you there. Number 3, worst aquarium ever. This one's beautiful. The New Bedford Whaling Museum in Massachusetts got a 1-star Google review calling it the worst aquarium ever because it's a whaling museum, not an aquarium. Why it's popping? They flipped the insult into merch and it went viral. AP News, the New York Post, and the Boston Globe all covered the t-shirts and totes, turning 1-star into 5-star marketing. Here's your lesson, not a copycat. Turn your own funny bad reviews into self-aware merch. Playful, honest, shareable. That's how a roast becomes a revenue stream. That's clever money, but the next one came straight off a golf green, barefoot. Number 2, the Lucas Glover shoe removal meme. Origin. At the 3M Open, PGA Tour player Lucas Glover took his shoes off mid-round. Reports say it came after complaints about spike marks on the greens. Why it's popping? Glover pushed back on the aim point narrative to clarify the real reason he went barefoot, and golf fans turned it into meme fuel. Outlets like Bro Bible and WKRG ran with it. The play, lighthearted golf humor merch, barefoot on the green tees, funny golf caps. Keep it general and clean since it's a real person. Niche golf buyers love an inside joke. Golf humor's a niche goldmine, but number 1, that's the biggest cultural moment on this list. Here's the payoff. Number 1, Mexican Independence, El Grito. Origin. El Grito is the celebration of Mexican independence, marked around September 15th and 16th. Telemundo and cities nationwide honor it with El Grito ceremonies. Why it's huge now? El Grito festivals are returning in Chicago's Grant Park after last year's cancellation, and celebrations are lighting up LA, San Jose, San Diego, and the Bay Area. Community energy is peaking. The move, proud, respectful El Grito merch, City Plus Mexico Pride tees, Viva Mexico, totes for Chicago, LA, San Jose, drop it before mid-September. That's the play, no cap. And that pays off the loop. Number 1 was El Grito all along, the biggest cultural bag on the board. That's your Trend Chaser report. Merch Money Mike, out. Subscribe to Niche Please for the weekly drop, and join our Skool community, links in the description, with a whole lot of valuable extra stuff waiting for you.